box plot for the data set. Now, a box plot is also known as a box and whisker plot. You might have heard this before. Well, basically what it does is we use a number line to show the distribution of the data set. It's just another visual representation of the data set. In this box and whisker plot, we will be using the mean, the Q1, the Q3, the low number and the high number, also known as extreme values. And then basically we draw a box and it looks like it has whiskers. Hence the reason why we say box and whisker plot. I know it's silly, but that's how we do it. So let's begin. Step 1, if you notice on your steps, it said to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. So you guys, here are the numbers and I already wrote them down. Now when you're doing this, you would literally cross it out. So I would cross out 35 and write down 35, because if you don't do this, you will easily goof up. So you would do this for each number. 55, write it down. 61, cross it out, write it down. 65, write it down. 74, there you are. Then you would write it down. 88, 92, write it down. 96, there we go. And you see 97, 99, and 100. We're double checking. We're triple checking sometimes. That's just how it is. Now, after we're done with that, our first step is going to be, we just did the first step, sorry. That was put them in order from least to greatest. Our second step is to find the median. So we're going to find these values. We're going to first start off with the median. So here we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going towards the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have got to be balanced. There's 5 on this side. There's 5 numbers on this side. Bam, we just found the median. That is our median right here. I'm going to abbreviate it to be median. Median basically is breaking down the lower half of the values from the upper half of the values. You've already learned this before. Now we're going to find our Q1 and our Q3. The Q1, if you recall, is the median of the lower half. So if you're going towards the middle, boom, 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 it's going to be 61 will be my Q1. And you guessed it, 97 will be our Q3. Our lowest number is going to be 35 and our highest number will be 100. We basically need this information to complete the box and whisker plot. This is all information you've done before. You've used all of these types of data values to find the median, the Q1, the Q3. So you've done this before. Now it's just about constructing the box and whisker plot. First, we're going to start with putting a dot above each of these 3 values. I found my Q1, which is 61, and it's going to be right above here. Bam, that's my dot right there. Then I'm going to find 88 and put my median. Let's go to 88. 88 is going to be somewhere in here, really close to the 90, right? Somewhere about here. That's my median. Now I'm going to go to my Q3, 97. 97, well, here's 95, 96, 97, would be right around here. Boom. Notice I have 3 dots, and I'm going to put my median right here, 88. I'm going to put a vertical line going straight down here. Bam. And my vertical line going straight for my Q1. Oh, I'm trying to make it straight, you guys, but you know, it's freehand. Now we're going to go 97 all the way down. Bam. Now I'm going to connect these to create a rectangular box. Oh, I'm going to try my best to go straight. You know how it is, kids, when you're trying your best, but sometimes, well, that's not too bad. Not too shabby. Okay, now I'm going to create my little whiskers, and guess where my whiskers are going to be? My whiskers are going to be my lowest number, 35. Let's find 35. There it is. I'm going to put a little dot on my little whisker. And the maximum value will be the second whisker. Put it right here. Now all I'm going to do is make a little whisker, kind of like a cat has a whisker. It's a straight line. Oh, I'm supposed to go more in the middle, but you know, whatever. There's my whiskers. And we are basically done here. We've created our box and whisker plot. And we are done.